Hey whales, good morning. Happy Monday. Let's go over Tesla for today's trading session. For those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And if you want my actual trades though, guys, come join Discord. I give my exact entries, targets, stop losses, everything that you need here to succeed. You can copy and mirror me. So yeah, if you need help in figuring out what trades to get into before anyone else does, guys, if you're tired of losing money, I'm telling you, you have to join. You got to join. So we'll see you here. All right, so with that said, let's break down Tesla. So I want to go over Tesla in two different scenarios. All right, so I'm on a shorter time cycle in a 30-minute time frame. The bullish path is that we did put in the slow at 218, right? So we're working on a bullish sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in blue, right? And then finishing off a potential A, B, C, testing these lows before we hold it and we go up one more time. Okay, there's been a lot of selling pressure, guys, right? And this can get pretty sketchy. And pretty deep retracement. The markets are starting to look impulsive towards the downside. So I'm not favoring this count as of now. Right, extremely bearish so far across the S&P 500 to QQQ. So just take this with a grain of salt. But if we were to bounce, guys, right? If you were to long 250 down to 240 and it goes up for a bounce, you want to make sure when you do have your stop loss, you want to raise your stop loss to your entry price, right? Let's say you're long at 250. You want to raise your stop loss to that as we bounce, so that if it does correct and does something funky and go even deeper down here and all the way down, right? Who knows? You're gonna be breaking even. You're gonna protect your capital and you're not gonna lose any money, right? So make sure when you do have your stop loss, keep trailing it. Keep your risks in order, right? You want to have a risk-free trade. So we're seeing whether or not we have that A wave for a B wave bounce, right? And either we're going to keep the higher low and keep going up, or we have testing one more time down to the C wave, close to that invalidation level, and try to push up as well. Okay, you can take a look at the 4-hour time frame. This is sort of the overall arcing view, where we have an A wave, B wave coming down like this, and then a C wave pushing higher. Okay, so that's sort of that bullish path. Now, for the bearish path, right, or the alternate path, this is sort of what I'm favoring as of now because of how bearish the markets have been, right? We're putting in a triple correction where we're putting in a WX, Y, and then another X for a failed impulse, right? This was the top, and then coming down for the lows. Okay, let me get rid of some of these drawings, right? Coming down for the lows. Okay, so we're looking at another Z wave here, all right? And then ultimately finishing off an A, B, C, closer down to 180, down to 100. I know that's kind of scary, right? But if the markets are telling us that there's more pain to come, we have to be prepared in all scenarios, right? So if you're a long-term investor, right, don't worry, right? I do have Tesla going up to $550 or $500 plus in the future. So, these are just times to accumulate, and, lower prices means more upside into the future. So, this could always be a possibility where we have an X and then a Z wave coming down closer to 180 to $100, right? So let's see, right? We don't know yet until these lows are breached at 218, but in my opinion, I'm favoring this for now. Tesla really needs to show me some strength. Right, it really needs to show me some strength, right, and start breaking some highs here. Until then, I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll update you guys every single day, right? And yeah, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. We're gonna get through it. No problem. Talk to you guys soon. See ya.